Hello, my name is Kayla Shaw, and for my communications assignment this week, I had watched a speech spoken by Mary Fisher that was filmed in August of 1992 at the Republican National Conference address in Houston, Texas. The main point of Mary Fisher's speech is to bring awareness to the AIDS and HIV viruses. This was a time of uncertainty related to the virus. Fisher is bringing attention to this topic and clearing up the misconceptions about the virus itself. Throughout the speech, one can see that Fisher's body language changed based off of how serious what she is saying is. There are several points when I could observe her nonverbal cues. At the beginning of the speech, you can see her eyes look around the room as if she's making eye contact with everyone in the audience. As she discusses the severity of the disease, you can also see her eyebrows furrow in concern as her face shows more and more worry. She also tends to close her eyes in moments of sympathy and in reflection. I did experience listening challenges when I was watching and listening to the speech because I was trying to eat dinner while doing this assignment. I experienced listening challenges because I was distracted. I try to cut back as many distractions as I possibly can while I'm studying, but tonight I still did not manage to cut out every single one of my distractions. I was also challenged at times because I found the speech to be slightly redundant and caught myself tuning out a couple times. For these distractions, I would go back and listen to what I'd missed the first time. I was distracted by activities while I listened to the speech because I was eating my dinner at the same time I was watching the speech, and at times I found myself distracted when I was trying to cut my food, stay clean, and clear my dishes at the end of my meal. I several times found myself rewinding the video and going back over the script of the speech and skimming the script to quickly catch up on what I had missed while I was distracted. As much as I'd like to say that I am an excellent multitasker, I truly am not a good multitasker. I need a very specific setup in order to be as efficient as I possibly can. If I really want to accomplish a task, such as my homework or work assignments, without my listening being affected, I need to be in a quiet room. There can't be any music or playing or TVs on. I can't have anyone besides myself in the room either. I try not to let my pets be in the room, so I don't try to direct my attention to them over my work. Lastly, I put my cell phone in a separate room, so I don't try to go on it and take unnecessary breaks and take longer than I need to on my work. I truly can only focus on one thing at a time when it comes to situations such as study. Thank you.